So here's a goblet cell rich hyperplastic polyp, and I emphasize this because it is so easy to dismiss this fragment as just normal colonic mucosa, which is why I've chosen a very low power field to show you that this is normal mucosa, and you can see that this, once you compare it to the normal mucosa, does catch your eye, right? So this does look different from the adjacent normal colonic mucosa. And what is different is that the gastric crypts are far longer and there's a lot more goblet cells in there. This is a goblet cell rich hyperplastic polyp. So a couple of things to remember with goblet cell hyperplastic polyps. So it is so easy to dismiss this as nothing. In fact, you can see a few normal colonic crypts. Here's the polyp. These goblet cell rich hyperplastic polyps tend not to show the same degree of serration that a microvesicular variant of hyperplastic polyp will show. Does one have to subclassify these hyperplastic polyps? The answer is absolutely not. But conceptually, it's very useful to hold these subtypes at the back of your head simply because these various variants of hyperplastic polyps, as you can see here, look somewhat different. These goblet cell rich hyperplastic polyps, as you can see, do not show that overt serration that a microvesicular hypervariant of hyperplastic polyp will show. But you see that expansion or the lengthening of the colonic crypts, some dilatation of the colonic crypts, an attempt perhaps at serration, but it is subtle. And the entire epithelium, instead of being lined by that microvesicular epithelium, is now lined by goblet cells. Another useful feature would have been the thickening of the basement membrane, which is often seen in left-sided hyperplastic polyps. Unfortunately, it's very muted right here. Bottom line, this is a goblet cell rich hyperplastic polyp.